Hi students, good morning everyone. In previous class, we have already discussed about water for life. Now children, all of you know about water. Means water is very important for all living beings, plants, animals and humans. So we are all need water to live. Without water, we cannot live. So, the students, here water cycle is continuous every day. Means without water we cannot live, and also water is very necessary for us. Water is not enough and not begins. So this is continuous process on earth. So that's why we are called water is like cycle. Water cycle. On earth, water is very important and rain is main important source on earth. Rain is the main water source on earth. Without rain, any kind of water is no on earth. With rain, we have to see lakes, rivers, and tube wells. So these are all depending upon rain. Without rain, no water is there. Water is very important, and also rain is also very important on earth. Without rain, no water. And dear students, water cycle is continuous process. So in this water cycle process, we should see three types. So evaporation. First one means evaporation. The students, when the heats up water bodies. So all of you know about our sun heats up the water. For example, river, lakes and ponds. So those water bodies heats up by the sun. So that water is converted. It changes into vapor or steam. When sun heats up the water bodies, that water should be evaporate or steam. It converted as a steam or evaporate of any kind of water bodies like rivers, lakes or ocean water. So after that evaporate, water goes up into the air, converted as evaporate, and that water should be converted and converted into the air, and that air, the turning of a liquid into vapor or gas is called evaporation. So in that air, the water should be converted as a liquid. That liquid we call vapor or a gas. Okay. So this is called evaporation. Here, sun heat is very important for this evaporation process. Okay. So many water bodies are there. For example, river, lakes, oceans. So these water should be heats up by the sun, and that water goes in air, and after that it turns as a liquid into evaporate or gas. So this is the evaporation. And next one, condensation. The students, when water evaporate, rises up in atmosphere. So I have already told evaporation. So that evaporate process can rises up in atmosphere for our surrounding atmosphere. So in that atmosphere, cold air should be modified. So that water vapor converted as a cold air, and that cold air once again changes into water. So in these days or winter days, in these days, air should be cold because the water content of the water content is including in this air. Okay. So and also it has also converted as a water. Okay. So that is called condensation. So many cold regions are there. For example, in the southern part of the southern countries are very cold regions because the sun rays falls vertically, not horizontally. So that's why those areas are cold regions, and those areas converted as a very cold area, and ice cubes or icebergs. For example, Himalayan ranges. So in that area, we should see this type of condensation, means ice cubes, and every day, if we can see that area, the water should be condensed. Okay, means ice cubes like Himalayan ranges. And next, precipitation. The students, I have already told, on Earth, very important source of water is rain. Without water, any kind of river, lakes, ponds, and tube wells are no more. So, when too much water vapor has accumulated in the air, okay, too much of water content not holds in air. Okay, so that's why those water included clouds should be melted for heat, and after that we cannot, so air cannot hold it any longer time. So the season wise, rainy season, in those seasons we see rain. Okay. So the precipitation is when too much water vapor not holds in air longer time. So, and that time, that particular season, rain should be on Earth. So that is called precipitation. Precipitation means rain. And also we call rain or rainy season. Okay, the students, I hope all of you understand about water cycle. Not only 1 year or 1 week or 1 day, continuous process. Okay, so this is called water cycle. It cannot be changed. Sometimes, some years, sometimes rain is not coming. So much of rain and right time. So that's happened. But water cycle should be continuous process on Earth. Okay, so this is water cycle. Okay, students, let us stop here. Continue next class. I will take another topic. Until then, all of you take care. Bye. Thank you.